One thing I hate to see on the skin is large pores, textures, and bumps. And if you're like me and you love smooth, less texture, aka baby skin, then keep watching. Hi guys, it's Juliet here, and in today's video I'll be sharing some amazing skincare products you can use to improve your skin's texture. These products are the best of the best products when it comes to improving the skin texture. These products and practices are some of the best ways to improve the skin's texture. And if you want to find out everything about improving your skin's texture, from your skin type, from the skincare practices, and your skincare routine, then keep watching. When you talk about improving the skin's texture, the first and the most important thing is exfoliation. Exfoliation is very important for improving the skin's texture. You can't talk about improving skin texture and then you're not exfoliating your skin, because they go hand in hand. And the first product I'll be recommending in today's video is the glycolic acid exfoliating toning solution from The Ordinary. If you're always watching my video, you know I'm always talking about this product, and that's because this product is an amazing product for exfoliating the skin. It does exactly what it says, and if you use this toner 2 to 3 times in a week, the texture of your skin will improve. There is no way you use this toner and your skin's texture won't improve. But you have to be consistent, because you can't expect amazing results when you are not consistent with a product or with something. You don't expect to use this toner this week, skip it next week, use it the week after, skip it for 2 weeks, and then you expect to see amazing results. It doesn't work that way. You have to be consistent with the product for you to be able to see results. I've been using this toner for over a month now, and this toner is amazing. This is a very good product that I will not stop repurchasing. The Ordinary did something with this toner, and I highly recommend it. Make sure to always follow with a hydrating product like a hyaluronic acid serum or a really good moisturizer to lock in the moisture and keep the skin hydrated, because this product is quite drying. If you watch my nighttime skincare routine where I showed my exfoliating routine, you will see that after using this product, the next product I went in with were my hydrating product, because it will leave the skin really dry. It will strip your skin of all the moisture. Now you have to go in with a moisturizing product to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated. Please avoid this product if you have sensitive skin, because it can irritate your skin. The second product I recommend is the Paula's Choice Toner. The Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This toner contains salicylic acid, which helps with pore size and improves texture. Salicylic acid is very suitable for acne prone skin. An affordable alternative to this toner is the Clean and Clear Clearing Cleanser, which also contains salicylic acid. This is what I've used for a long time, and this is also a good product. It is very affordable, so if you can't afford the Paula's Choice, you can get this one. If you have sensitive skin, check the Aveeno Calm and Restore face wash. It is an exfoliator, it is fragrance free, and it is mild and very suitable for sensitive skin. It is a cleanser that exfoliates and hydrates the skin at the same time, so it is suitable for both sensitive and dry skin. If you're just starting out skincare and you're not sure if you want to invest in an exfoliating toner or an exfoliating cleanser or an exfoliating product, you can make your DIY scrubs at home. You can mix honey and sugar, honey and salt, but I recommend honey and sugar, honey and oats. All of this will serve as good exfoliants for your skin. Make sure to go gentle with it, because physical scrubs are a bit too harsh for the skin. You can also make a scrub out of olive oil and sugar, but I don't recommend this type of scrub for people with oily skin, because too much oil can clog your pores, which will lead to more breakouts. To reduce texture on the skin, cleansing is another important practice, and investing in gentle cleansers that hydrate while gently removing dirt, makeup, and excess oils from the skin without stripping the skin of its natural oils. I recommend the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It is a gentle, non-foaming cleanser and it is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. An affordable alternative is the Face Fat Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, which I currently use. This is very affordable. It contains 5 ceramides, which protects and repairs the skin barrier. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin, and it is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. The next cleanser I recommend is the La Roche-Posay Tolerant Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is very suitable for those with sensitive skin, but it is a little bit on the pricey side. If your skin reacts to lots of other cleansers, you can try this one out to see if it works for you, and I hope it does work for you. To improve the texture of your skin, we need serums, and serums are lightweight skincare ingredients that contains high concentration of active ingredients. We have vitamin C serum, we have niacinamide serum, we have hyaluronic acid serum, we have retinol serums. All of these serums target different skin concerns, and incorporating them in your skincare routine will improve the appearance of your skin. Now for serums, the most important serum for improving skin texture is retinol serum or retinoid serums. There's no better way to boost skin cell turnover than incorporating a retinoid in your skincare routine. Retinoids boost collagen production. It has the ability to make the skin smoother when used properly, and it also brightens the skin. Retinoids can be harsh, so if you're a beginner, make sure to incorporate this ingredient into your skincare gradually. Most retinoids come in percentages, so make sure to start with the least percentage and increase the percentage with time. Do not start with a higher percentage retinoid because your skin will purge and it can cause even more skin issues. So always start with the least percentage and then you can increase the percentage with time. And the retinoid product I recommend is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. This product helps with post-acne marks and it helps to improve texture. And I recommend using this product at night. Please do not use retinol during the daytime or when you're going out in the sun, because it can improve your skin sensitivity to the sun. Please note that retinol is not suitable for pregnant women or nursing mother. If you're breastfeeding, pregnant, or trying to get pregnant, please avoid this product because it can go into your bloodstream and affect your baby's health. So avoid this problem. It has lots of skin benefits, but use it at the right time and for the right purpose. The next serum I'd like to recommend is niacinamide serum, and there are lots of good niacinamide serums in the market. But before we get into the products, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is an amazing ingredient with lots of benefits. It brightens the skin, it improves the skin texture, it evens out the skin tone, it soothes and strengthens the skin barrier. Niacinamide is an all-round superstar in skincare because it is so versatile. It has lots of benefits, and I highly recommend the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. It reduces the appearance of pores and improves skin smoothness. And that makes it a very good product for anyone looking to improve their skin's texture. And the best thing is, this serum is suitable for all skin types. This product is already affordable, but a more affordable option is this niacinamide serum from Balance Active Formula. This is what I currently use and it is such an amazing product. You can go for this one if you can afford the ordinary one, but I highly recommend the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum because it has lots of skin benefits. If you are looking to splash a bit of coin, you can also try the annual niacinamide 10% TXA 4% dark spot correcting serum. This serum has gone viral and I have seen lots of positive reviews about it. It's a Korean skincare product and we all know that Korean skincare is currently topping this chart in skincare. This serum targets dark spots, it improves the skin's texture and hyperpigmentation. If you have watched this video up to this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because if you don't, you'll be missing a lot of juicy content coming on this channel. To improve the skin texture, you need a very good moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and to lock in the moisture. I highly recommend the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. It is lightweight and very hydrating. And the best news is it is suitable for all skin types. I also recommend the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It is intensely hydrating and it is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. It is on the pricey side, but it is worth it. So if you can afford this and you have sensitive and very dry skin, try out this moisturizer. Now this next product is a strong exfoliant and it should be used with caution. It is also not suitable for sensitive skin. If you are looking for quick results, then I highly recommend the peeling solution from Ordinary. It contains AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. It contains glycolic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid and salicylic acid. Now you can see how strong this peeling solution is. So you want to use it with caution. If used correctly, this peeling solution will help improve your skin texture. But if used wrongly, trust me, you are going to be causing more problems for your skin. Now, directions on this product states use once or twice a week, ideally in the evening, on thoroughly clean, dry skin. Do not use on wet skin. Do not use on sensitive, peeling or compromised skin. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes, both during application and rinse off. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Contact of the product with the skin must be of limited frequency or duration. It says leave on for no more than 10 minutes. I recommend leaving it on for 8 minutes. You don't have to use the 10 minutes mark on the direction. Leave it on for 8 minutes and wash it off. This is what the product looks like. It comes in a 30 ml bottle. It also says you can use the product 2 to 3 times a week. I personally use this product once a month because I already use my glycolic acid twice a week. So I don't have to peel my skin every week. If you decide to get this product, I recommend using it only at night because when you use this product during the day, it increases your skin sensitivity to the sun, which can cause sunburn. This product contains acids in high percentage, so I recommend doing a patch test before using this on your face. Make sure this product is compatible with your skin before you go in with it to avoid causing more problems instead of solving the current ones. Another important thing to do is sun protection. Daily use of sunscreen SPF 30 or higher can protect the skin from UV damage, which worsens skin texture. And I recommend the La Roche-Posay Antilles Melting Milk Sunscreen with SPF 100. This sunscreen provides high sun protection and it is suitable for all skin types. I also recommend the Bondi Sands Daily Face Moisturizing SPF 50+, which I currently use, and it is suitable for sensitive skin. Remember to always patch test your new skincare products to prevent adverse reactions. Also, start slow. Introduce active ingredients like retinoids and acids gradually into your skincare routine. Give your skin time to adjust. By incorporating these steps and products into your skincare routine and using them consistently, you can achieve smoother, more even skin texture over time. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe and share to all your friends who you think might need it. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you later, guys.